Hello, this is Taisire Verien who is back. I'm going to show you how we can remake our courses using the Padlet wall. Normally, I'm teaching radiologic physics at the University of Rwanda and the College of Medicine and Health Sciences, and I'm based in the School of Health Sciences within the Department of Medical Imaging Sciences, where I give the radiologic physics. So now I have for that I can embed in for each topic I can embed a Padlet wall where they have to once they click for example here where they can provide their questions and or comments here, and they have to double click in order to post their question. But before that, I want to show you how we can do that. We have to go to padlet.com, and once it is there, you see we have some features. Option we have the recent works for others, and we have what we have made, like this one. It means that once you make it here, you make a Padlet here like this, and you choose a word, for example, like this for campus. It can be a grid like this, and you can select one of them. You can select one of them, and you have to fulfill the with you fill in with the titles, descriptions, and so on, so on, so on. Suppose that you finish, you finish, and you have this, and you have this, and it will be a no. It is this one. And what I have made 5 days ago, it is like this. And you click here, you fill in with a title, what I have made here, what questions do you still have, or what didn't you understand, what did you learn from this topic, and so on and so on. And once you don't want to delete, you will click here, and once you want to embed a link, you click here, and so on and so on. Take picture like this, and that's it. And I thank you very much.